Whether you're stuck at 0 viewers, you've hit a plateau, or are simply frustrated because you feel like you've tried everything and you still aren't growing, boy, do I have a solution for you. Let's get it.
T-minus
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You're tuned in to menziesmedia. Alright, if you haven't already, you're soon going to realize that streaming is a roller coaster. It takes mental fortitude and a constant learning mentality to overcome those inevitable hurdles that cause so many to quit before they've truly seen their potential. Personally, I hate hearing that somebody's hanging up their headset and shutting down OBS, and that's because I understand firsthand the benefits of streaming. If you haven't seen my video, Top 10 Reasons Why You or Anyone Should Stream, I'll tab it above. You should check it out. And please remember to subscribe if you find the gems I'm dropping are top tier. When times get tough, it's quite normal to hear a struggling streamer say, "I've tried everything." Which reminds me of this crazy thing that happened to me. I came into the studio, turned on the lights, and poof, Thomas A. Edison appeared. Yeah, you know, the one that invented the freaking light bulb. And the man had a message.
When you have exhausted all possibilities, remember this: you haven't.
How are we going to solve our issues? That's easy. We're going to solve our issues by keeping it real. Research, experiment, adapt, and level up.
Research.
Whether it's hitting Google or Reddit, scouring YouTube for videos, reading books, listening to podcasts, picking an experienced streamer's brain, going to a successful streamer's channel to see what's been successful for them, you have to do your research. Experiment. Be bold with what you've learned from your research. Don't shy away from attempting to add big things to your stream that would normally require, I don't know, tech support and a bottle of Jack Daniels. Know that there are videos on YouTube from extremely creative individuals that are truly able to dumb down the setup process. Try all the things and know that sometimes you're going to succeed, other times you're going to fail. Trial and error is a large part of streaming, and one of my favorite parts of this is live testing a new trick to see my community's reaction. You gotta have fun with this. Which leads us to adapt. You aren't always going to be successful, and that's okay, but you'll learn through this process. You have to have a positive outlook and a learning mentality, and if you can combine those two things and adapt in a proper way, I'm telling you, that leads to leveling up. And don't we all like to level up? Once you've leveled up, lather, rinse, repeat. This isn't a one and done thing. You should constantly follow this process in the pursuit of finding the next big thing that will take your stream to the next level. If you're struggling, follow this process, and I promise you, it'll keep pointing you in the right direction. I'm super stoked about this video because I've scoured YouTube myself, and through my journey I found a lot of great tips, but no acronyms to keep this process top of mind. If you really are struggling, do me a favor, keep it real. And know I'm always here. If you have any questions, just hit me in the comments below. So there you have it. If you stuck around to this point, I hope you thoroughly enjoyed the content. This is my third installment into my long-form streamer content. I really want to help people grow and see people win. On this channel, you can expect streamer tips as well as gaming content, which I have a lot of fun making. I also stream on Twitch Wednesday and Friday at 9 p.m. EST. Click the link in the banner and come hang out with me for a stream. I guarantee you'll have fun. Please smash that like, sucker punch that subscribe, and ring that bell notification to be notified of future uploads. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy streaming.